Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that many our users encounter when working with lists of path names. The issue at hand involves selecting a subset of path names based on specific criteria related to the file names. It's a classic dilemma that can be efficiently resolved with a clever approach. Let's jump right into the solution. By leveraging a series of functional operations in R, we can achieve the desired outcome without the need for cumbersome loops. The key lies in a succinct code snippet that processes the list of path names systematically. This compact yet powerful solution elegantly filters out the path names that meet the specified conditions, resulting in a tidy subset ready for further use. To elaborate further on the solution provided, the snippet intelligently manipulates the list of path names using a chain of operations. By applying a sequence of functions to the list elements, we effectively identify the path names that begin with specific numerical prefixes. This systematic approach yields a refined subset of path names that align with the defined criteria, offering a streamlined solution to the initial problem. In wrapping up, we've successfully tackled the challenge of selecting a subset of path names based on predefined conditions. By embracing a functional programming paradigm in R, we've streamlined the process and achieved our goal efficiently. Remember, working smarter, not harder, is the key to mastering complex tasks in programming. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!